Signature? A person's name or mark written by that person or at that person's direction, especially one's handwritten name as one ordinarily writes it, as at the end of a letter or a check, to show that one has written it, also termed sign manual. In commercial law, any name, mark, or writing used with the intention of authenticating a document, also termed legal signature, the act of signing something, the handwriting one's own name in one's usual fashion. And the signature to a memorandum may be any symbol made or adopted, yes, with an intention, act, or apparent, actual or apparent, to authenticate the writing as that of the signer. Yeah. Now, exactly what signature was on that protection order? What signature was on the stipulation and order? See, somebody has bribed some judges to thinking that your senior way was, yes, that you're going to issue orders without any signature. Mm. Now, Wayne Condon's signatures on the dissolution of marriage is my wife's signature on the dissolution of marriage. Did you require Heidi Lee Budnick to have to appear in court when you gave custody of my sons to her? Yes. Without the enforcement of the actual stipulation and order of the court. You know, the only signatures that I've given the court, yes, were for personal recognizance, yes, of the false accusation of being in Jefferson County and cyber stalking, yes. Defendant, 427, 2016, yes. Refusing to sign until he talks to his lawyer, yes. Refused to sign, yes. You know, when it requires the state of jurisdiction to be able to arrest somebody for failure to appear, yeah. And you only give them 2 judicial days before having the court hearing, yeah. And the judge requests your presence in court, and then you tell the judge, well, judge, yeah, I didn't receive any actual notice of the hearing right now. See, you're going to want my signature. Somebody issued this without the signature of the petitioner. Yes, as if Brent Baisden's signature was all that was necessary to be able to issue judicial orders. And then you use the forgery of the ex officio superior court clerk. Yes, to issue the protection order where the petitioner didn't appear in court. Yes, I was not given any notice of court hearings. Yes, and the proof of service is fraudulent because nobody signed for this. Yes. hmm hmm the victim that you say I victimized, yes. When I wasn't there, this is my actual handwriting, yes. You know, I wrote this in jail as soon as you gave it to me, yeah. And I'm sitting here with the legal right to sue you, and you're sitting there refusing to allow me to do that. Now, what document do you need to sign today? Because the signature, yeah. It required a court signature, didn't it? Yes. It required a court signature to be able to issue what was known as a stipulation and order. Yes. And when you don't read a judge's signature, um, you don't you can't sign it. Did somebody want to give you a gag order that you can never talk to me, Brent? Yes. hmm See, this is very involved because the Superior Court of Guam actually signed this. Yes. My signature, the signature of the Attorney General, the Public Defender, yes. But this is the signature that's important, yes. Hmm. Exactly what signature did you have when you issued the dissolution of marriage? Judge Rohr and the petitioner. What signature did you have when you had court hearings? The petitioners. What signature did you have when you issued the protection order when I was on probation? The petitioners, yes. What signature did you have Oh, Mrs. Budnick has all the authority of the family because she accused me of domestic violence and child abuse. And you have no obligation to enforce my rights. Now, here's a signature. Yes. But I wasn't in Jefferson County on June 16th of 2017. Yeah. But again, it says obey Clallam County no contact order. Ooch. Now, Judge Landis signed this, or is this something? Did you fill this out? Oh, it's a photocopy. Oh, how about the dismissing of the case, Judge Mindy Walker? Yes. Exactly what signature was necessary to have me arrested? Well, I wasn't in Sequim. Right. I wasn't in Jefferson County. Yes. I wasn't cyber stalking. Right. I was sending emails. Yes. That my rights are being violated. Now, somebody's going to want my signature. Yes. As much as you said you didn't have to care about me. Yes. Whose signature is on this? Treatment is psychotropic medication. Yes. Need for forced medication order. Yes. Based on these factors, in my opinion, the probability of restoration will be improved. Yes. Restoration for what right now? Well, Phyllis's signature was necessary, wasn't it? Yes. Who was it that wrote this in there? Because this is not Brent's handwriting. Oh. Was it Healthy Families of Clallam County, Leslie Bond? Yes. Did you fill out this protection order without the actual handwriting of the petitioner? Yes. Did you say that you had fiduciary authority to protect the petitioner and the minors named? Yes. Without requiring the signature of the petitioner? Yes. Did you have a copy of the stipulation and order? Yes. Did you have a copy of the assessment of the counselor? Leslie, did you have? Did you think? Yeah. That you could fill this out? Yes. Using a forgery. Now this looks like Brent's signature right here. Yeah. Me reviewing upon motion of respondent? Yes. Did you feel a compulsion to read the stipulation order or go on? See, you gave exclusive continuing jurisdiction. The protection for the minors named. Yes. And you said it was their home state. Yes. But the problem was the jurisdiction was Guam. Now, this exclusive continuing jurisdiction where the state of Washington is the home state of the 5 minors named? Yes. You never required a signature of myself. You didn't require a signature of the presiding judge? No. You didn't require. Brent, did you sign a protection order using a forgery? Did you not realize that this, yes, is the only signature that really has to be paid attention to? Yes. You didn't have to listen to the petitioner no matter what she said. Yes. You didn't have to listen to me. You had to listen to the judge that issued.